Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. So today I recreated this look that I did the other day. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys already know that this is that one look that I was talking about, this Becca product. And I'm also going to be talking about it in this video just for like a minute or two because honestly, I'm trying to keep this video short and on the eyes. So if you want to learn how I achieved it, please keep on watching. The first shade I'm going in with is the shade Oak, which is this shade right here. And for the brush, I'm using a Makeup Shack T83. So with that eyeshadow, I'm just going straight into my crease. I'm not blending, as always, you guys know I don't go straight into blending. I literally just start packing the eyeshadow on because I don't like to blend. I feel like to me, that's just too much work. I think it's easiest to build up my shade and then just blend a little bit. And I feel like that gets the job done so much quicker than blending and building, bending and building. Oh my God. So yeah, that's why I do it this way. And like I said, I'm just going straight in onto my crease and building that shade. For the next eyeshadow, I'm taking the shade Espresso, which is this darker cool brown right here. And I am taking that on another Makeup Shack T83. So I'm going to take that shade right under the shade Oak just to darken up my crease and slightly go in and bring that in forward as well without taking it too high where I'm going to cover up Oak. All right, now just to soften up the edge and make that all look really nicely blended, I'm going to be taking the shade Mocha, which is this lighter brown over here, on a Makeup Shack T50. And I'm just going to take a little bit of that eyeshadow, dust off the excess. Do you guys see this little freaking hair? I tried putting on so much gel and it just like does not stay down. Whatever. I'm just going to take that and honestly just start blending it all out. And as you guys can see, the brown, it was already blended, but just to give it like a softer edge, that is why I took a lighter brown, and just so that it's really nice. Now I'm taking this Dose of Colors Block Party eyeshadow in the shade Leave Me Alone. And I'm just going to be applying that with a Morphe M210. And you don't need to wet this eyeshadow or anything. You don't need to spray Matte Fix Plus. You literally just take it and you pick some of that up. And then you just start pressing it on your eyelid. You could use your finger. I don't like to use my fingers, but a brush works fine. And I'm literally just taking that and slapping it all over my lid. Now, if you're like, I don't know how high to go, just don't go beyond your crease. And by crease, I mean wherever your eyeball is. So my eyeball's right here, meaning I'm not gonna go higher than that. All right, so now that that's on, just to make it a little more sparkly, I'm going to be taking the Cara Beauty Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Secret. So I'm just going to take that and I'm going to apply it on my little palette. And I just take the same brush that I just used and I flip it to the other side and I pick some of that up. And I say the same brush because I want to get another brush dirty, so I'm just going to use that one twice. Now that I flipped it, I'm just going to pat that on top. And you guys see how I just made it a little more sparkly? It is also like a green olivey shade. And that's why I mixed it. But this one has like a goldish tint to it. So then once I do that, I go back into the Dose of Colors shade and I just pick up a little bit so that because this is like an emerald green, so that the emerald green doesn't get like lost in the eyeshadow, in the liquid eyeshadow I mean, and I just layer it once more on top. But now it's more sparkly than it was before. So that's pretty much it for this eye look. I'm just gonna be taking a wipe and cleaning up any excess fallout that I had, and we're gonna throw on some lashes. Next, I'm going to be taking some Lurella lashes in the style Phucket. Now, before you guys are like, are they really called Phucket? No, it's not Phucket. It's Phucket. So let me just show them to y'all. And I do have a discount code with them Although all my discount codes are always on the bottom in the videos linked in the description. And if you go on my IG, I have a highlight caption discount codes. So that one is actually more updated than my YouTube, but you can always find my discount codes down below or on Instagram. And my discount code for Lurella is Muaerika, so y'all can save some money. Now I'm gonna go ahead and prep this with some lash glue from the Makeup Shack, and I use this one. So let me just show it to y'all just in case you haven't seen it. And once the glue is ready, because you want the glue tacky, you don't want it wet, I will come back to just slap it on. All right, so now that my lash is tacky, I'm just going to take that, press on the middle, and then you just fix the edges. And as always, I like to take it with my actual fingers and hold the lash in just like for a second or two, just to make sure that it's stuck on. So now that that's on, do you guys see how here you can see like my eyelid in a sense, and then over here it's kind of dark? So now I'm gonna be taking the Araceli Ojos Perfectos gel pencil liner. Let me show it to y'all. So this is the one, and I'm just gonna put it on my top waterline. If you have sensitive eyes, I would say don't do this because it's gonna make your eyes water a lot. All right, so now that that is on, I'm going to be taking my Sam Marcel Luxurious Volumizing Mascara. So let me show you that one too. This is what it looks like. And I'm just gonna go in with a little bit. I don't like to put on a lot of mascara on my falsies. And I don't like to put mascara on before because honestly, I can stick on a lash so close to my lashes to where I feel like I don't need mascara, and I don't like to wear a lot of mascara, at least on my top lashes. On the bottom, a bitch has no lashes. Well, I do, but they're really short. So I have to. But I literally just go in a little bit like that, and that's it. I don't do anything else aside from that. So I'm gonna do my face off camera, and then I will come back to show you guys how I did the bottom. I don't want to make this video too long, and I also want to stick just to what we came here for. So I'll be back. All right guys, and now I have my face beat and snatched and all of that good shit. So I'm gonna be talking about the Becca Hydrate Mist Set and Refresh Powder. So shout out to BoxyCharm because this is what they sent in the August box. So let me show you guys the product. Give me a stick. So that is what it is. It is a setting powder. So if you guys watch my videos, I usually use the RCMA No Color Powder because that one is affordable and it does its job. But girl, let me tell you, this thing changed my life. I feel like it adds like a filter to my face. So I feel like now I look like I got a filter all day and it's just my face. So shout out to BoxyCharm because honestly, this is what came in their August box. And I was like, what is this? And for a few weeks I didn't try it, and then I saw it and I was like, let me try it out. I tried it and I was like, oh, a bitch is shook. So like I said, this is a setting powder. So basically you set your face once you already put on your contour, your foundation, cream, whatever it is, concealer that you do. And then you got to set everything, right? Now you would do this next, and then you can go in with a powder contour if you would like, or you could just go in with setting spray. Whatever you do, you could go in with the blush. I don't know what your guys' routine is, but this is a setting powder. And the funny thing is, the first day I used it, I was going in and bouncing it on my face. And I say bouncing it because I use a sponge. And I was like, whoa, what the fuck? I know, I'm sorry I'm cussing guys, but this is me being shook. I know my sponge is damp, but I was like, it's not wet, so why is this wet? And then I got the box. Let me get the box for you guys. So I got the box and then I was like, well, let me read it. And this is what it says on the back. It says, Set and Chill, an ultra translucent refreshing powder that dusts on like a mist and sets makeup to help extend wear. This weightless powder sets, perfects, and refreshes makeup for a silky, smooth, invisible finish. Formulated with 50% water. This powder makes skin look awakened and fresh upon application. Apply throughout the day to refresh and rejuvenate makeup. Ideal for all skin types. Now let me just say, I did not touch up my face all day because you guys know I don't carry around makeup like that. I really don't like to carry makeup. And I never retouched my face, and it was good. It lasted me all day. So, you could, because that's what it says for you to do, but I didn't do it and my makeup was flawless. Now, I'll be adding a picture here where I wear it. And guys, what shook me the most was it gave me like no type of flashback, and I felt like it made my skin look like I had a filter. And you guys in the comments were being so sweet, like, oh my god, that's so cute, you're such a, what is it called, someone said I'm photogenic. I don't think I'm photogenic, but in this picture I was like, yes bitch, I felt photogenic because of this. This is not sponsored. BoxyCharm, I mean, didn't tell me. Becca didn't tell me. This is me, really, because you guys know I like to hook you guys up with products that I love. So make sure y'all go get this. Now, if you're trying to not spend so much money, I would say maybe just stick to the RCMA, because this is not a lot of product, and it's like $39, I believe. But if you want one item that is like a little high, well, it's high end. If you want something that's high end but it's worth it for at least a night when you go out with your boo, or you're going somewhere special and you only use it on special occasions, then yes, get this. Otherwise, this is more on the high end side. And by high end, I mean it's a little pricey, because to me $39 for a powder is a lot of money, because the RCMA no color powder, which if you don't know what that is, let me show you. This RCMA no color powder is $13.99. You guys see how it's $13.99, and you get this full thing compared to this. You know, it's not as much product for $39. So you want something for every day, I'd say this, and if you want something for a night out, get this. But I just thought I would talk about it. I thought it was really dope that it feels wet, because I was tripping out, and then when I read it, I was like, oh, it's made with water, no wonder it feels wet. But it actually feels really good when you're applying it. So now let me just get to this video. I just really want to talk to you guys about that. And if you guys didn't see my story on Instagram, I'll be adding the little clip right here. You know, let's get it. Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you guys my finish. Ignore my hair, I haven't done it, but bro, this looks amazing. So I set my face today with the Becca Hydrate Mist Set and Refresh. All right, that's enough. And I was like, you know what, let me tell them about it. That way, if they haven't seen it, they don't have BoxyCharm, or if they don't even mess with Becca like that, they can at least try it out. Oh, by the way, if you go to Sephora, you can always ask for a sample if you just want to try it out first before you purchase. That way, you know, you can see whether or not you really want to spend $39 for it. Now, moving on to this video, I'm going to be doing this side, on this eye, I mean. Now I'm going to be going back to the Stay Neutral palette from Lurella, discount code Muaerika. And I'm going to be going in with the shade Mocha first. So it's this one right here. And as I always say, whatever eyeshadows I use on the top, I always just use them on the bottom. I don't switch or change them. I like to keep the eyes usually looking the same. So I'm just going to take that in a Makeup Shop T8, discount code Erika for 20% off. And I'm just going to go in. By the way, I want to say sorry if earlier you guys heard a noise in the background. I forgot to turn off the air. And then later when I was just doing my makeup, I was like, the air's been on this whole time. That means the video is gonna have like the AC in the back, or the noise. So I'm sorry guys, excuse me. I was being a dumbass pendeja y ni me fijé. And now I'm gonna be taking the Makeup Shop T14, and I'm gonna be taking the shade Oak, which is this one right here. And I'm just gonna apply that right on top of Mocha without covering all of Mocha. Because when you go in with eyeshadows, you have to keep in mind that you don't want to be covering them up, because then why did you apply it? So with the same Makeup Shop T14, I'm gonna pick up Espresso, which is this one. And I'm gonna just put that a little higher than I put Oak, just to darken that up and, you know, keep the same color scheme. Cool, now that that's done, I'm gonna show you guys a little trick for when you don't have a certain eyeliner and you want something that, oops, I hope I didn't break that. Like I was saying, and you want your eyeliner to match your eyes, this is what I did, because I don't have an emerald green eyeliner. So I'm going to take this NYX Cosmetics Off Tropic Pro Liner. If you are going to my seminar, you guys will be getting these in your goodie bags. So I'm going to take this one in the shade Bamboo. Now let me show you that. So I'm going to be taking this eyeliner and applying it on my waterline. Okay, so do you guys see how that's like a super green, like light green color? Now I love this because it's cream, just saying. But now I'm gonna be taking the LA Girl Ultimate Intense Stay Auto Eyeliner in the shade Totally Teal. So let me show you that. So I'm gonna take this one, and because it's a teal and I already went in with like a light green, I feel like it's gonna end up like blending to where it almost looks emerald. So that's basically my trick, just mix your eyeliners. And I'm gonna take this on top of the Off Tropic eyeliner. And you see how now that looks a little closer to the emerald green versus just having used this one or the teal. So that's basically my tip. It's not gonna be obviously exactly like the emerald looking green up here, but it's very similar and close to it. So that's my trick to you guys. And then I'm just gonna take that brush, again the T4T on the shade Espresso, and just blend out any eyeliner that may have gotten into the eyeshadow and, you know, make it look good. Cool, now I'm gonna be taking that Sam Marcel Luxurious Volumizing Mascara once again and just apply it on my lower lashes. Cool, now the last thing to complete this whole look is I'm going to be taking my ColourPop Super Shock Cheek in the shade Thimble, and this is what it looks like. I'm gonna be taking that on a Makeup Shack T58, and you guys see how this inner corner is like brighter? I'm just gonna brighten this inner corner up now, just like that. And I'm also gonna take it on my brow bone. So that is it for this look, guys. Now I'm just gonna set everything by using my Slay All Day setting spray from Gerard Cosmetics. This is in coconut, discount code Muaerika for 30% off. And let's, oh my God, my necklace is living its best life over here. And set my face. All right, guys, so this is my final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. The reason I did it was because on Instagram, you guys did ask for me to film this look. And I was like, I didn't film it, but yes, I'll be recreating it. So today is not the day I actually wore this look. This is just like 2-3 days later. And I'm like, we need to film it. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have not already subscribed, please subscribe, you know, right here. Or actually at the bottom, click the notification bell. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram, please do so. My Instagram is right here. It's always linked in the description. It is Muaerika18. And with that being said, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.